In this video, we will be discussed about recursion in Python. So basically a recursion is a function that called itself again and again. The best example of recursion is the factorial program that is written below. So let's discuss about the factorial program step by step once. I defined a function that name as a factorial with parenthesis. That takes only one argument, that is n. Now I am writing a condition here. So I am writing if n is equal to 1. Then return 1. Because the factorial of 1 is always 1. Else I am writing a new condition as in which I am create a fact variable and I am writing a formula of factorial. That is n multiplied by factorial of n minus 1. So after that I am returning the same statement again by using a return function. That is return fact, which return the answer and store it in fact. Now just calling the function that I created above, that is print factorial. I am passing a value in which I want to check the factorial. So I am writing a 5 here. Now on the terminal, when I run the code 120 will be shown because the factorial of 5 is 120. Again, I am checking with the new number. That is 7, and when I run the code, it will show me the factorial of 7 is 5040. Thank you.